The next tool that we want to install is Visual Studio Code, also known as VS Code. VS Code is a popular open source text editor developed by Microsoft and a team of global contributors. It's completely free, it's relatively easy to use, it has a bunch of great extensions, a bunch of great themes. All in all, it's a phenomenal choice for a text editor, and it works for all kinds of different languages and file formats. So you can head to code.visualstudio.com and download the installer. Just like on many other websites, it should automatically detect your operating system and allow you to download the version that is correct for your operating system, whether it be Windows, Mac, or Linux. And then you can follow the installation instructions to get VS Code up and running on your computer. Just like your web browser, your text editor is really up to you. If you want to use another code editor throughout the course or a full-blown IDE, you're more than welcome to. Just keep in mind, I'm most familiar with VS Code. I'm most familiar with the shortcuts and functionalities here. So if I utilize those throughout the course, they're not guaranteed to work in your editor, and you'll have to figure those things out on your own. Totally fine, just stating the obvious here. If it doesn't matter to you, then I do recommend VS Code. I think it's a great tool. So go ahead and download this editor, and I will see you in the next lesson.